Hello, in front of me I've got Dacia Jogger. In this video I'll show you how to fold trunk seats. As you can see, some kind of Dacia Jogger trims are equipped with the two additional trunk seats. To fold them, firstly pull the red string to unlock it, but before, pull this lever to fold the back of the seat. Same here. Now you can fold the seat up. To lay the seat down, pull it, and now unlock it, then pull it up. And that's basically it. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe.